You guys, so I'm doing a week in my life. Sorry for the bad light. I'm in the car. Oh, how you turn this light on? Yeah, very bad lighting, but I'm doing a weekend in my life. I just went to McDonald's and got a caramel frappuccino with Oreos. And like they could have added more Oreo crushed stuff, but they wanted to be stingy. And then whoever made it had caramel all over my cup. I went to go touch it, didn't know, and I touched my phone, and I have sticky stuff all over my phone. I've never had a caramel frappe, but it's good. You guys, I got my Wendy's, and I'm eating. My aunt's over there getting her nails done as usual.
This ain't no as usual.
No, yeah.
Once a month.
Come once a month.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh. Man, Wendy's line was so long for no reason. Oh, I freaking bit my lip. I ain't really doing nothing Friday. Oh, the big thing that happened Friday today, I took my learners. And guess what? Guess what? I passed. Yeah. I'm gonna be on the road soon. Yep. I'm gonna get my driver's license in 11th grade. And then I'm gonna get a car when I'm 16. Girl, you. Okay. Girl. Okay. I'm gonna eat my food. I'll probably get back with y'all when I go home. Or whenever I do something interesting. Guys, I forgot I was supposed to be recording this weekend. But yesterday, I came home and like went straight to sleep. I really did. No, I didn't. I was staying on my phone watching Netflix shows. And then I went to sleep like early this morning, 1 o'clock. But today's a new day. It is actually Saturday, November the 13th. And today, look, oh, this is a mark right here. I actually took time to do my hair today. The braids look okay from like far away. Close up, they're very much not good braids. I just don't know how to braid. And I did the pulse, they're very curly. Look, I put something in my, I put effort into my hair today. I got little beads on the end, and I got a dress on. So today, my aunt's still in town, and we're going to go to Lynchburg, hopefully. We're supposed to leave this morning, but plans changed. Had a little delay. But I'm getting ready. I already got ready. My aunt, okay, so I tried to put these lashes on my aunt this morning, but I don't know how to put lashes on other people. I just don't know. And this corner is not even on. I might just do it again because you're going to see it. But, yeah, so I got these small, they're not long lashes and they're not thick either. They have no thickness to them, but they're okay. My mama said these are very short. These are natural lashes. The ones I be wearing is too extra, okay. Okay, I am in the car going to, like I said, I thought we was going to Lynchburg. Now we're going to go to Danville. I don't know where we're going. They take me on the road and I don't know where I'm going. And I'm in the car with these two hands. Crazy K's in the front seat. She's always in the front seat for no reason. Because I can. And I'm not crazy.
Stop calling her crazy, Shayla.
I don't touch my phone.
I told you stop recording me.
She'll be okay.
No.
You.
She will.
That video gonna get reported.
That video will get reported.
She can report her channel too.
I'm gonna still got her band back.
Yeah.
What happened to the
Man, I got what? I don't even know what y'all just said. Who? Do you have clothes in here? I'm ready like to learn how to drive. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get behind the wheel today. We're on Mama's van. Lord, she's probably that big van. I gotta learn how to drive on. Once I learn how to drive on Mama's van, I'm gonna take it for a joyride. And I'm like a joyride. And I and I ain't coming back to the house. I ain't gonna be in no joyride today. I'm gonna go take the car for a joyride. You guys, I'm trying to take pictures of this, like, it's in the middle, it's just right here. Like, it has no background. But there's too many cars going by. And, like, I looked up at one car, and they're just staring at me taking a photo, which I don't like. I haven't been filming because my phone is completely dead. I'm buying a charger right now for $9. It's 4-foot charger, and I'm using Kayla's power charger. I did. And we're in TJ Maxx buying a cheap charger, and that'll work for right now. It's charging. I got a lot of them. I just don't have them on me. I got them mostly from you. Here you go. Put them in her stockings. Put in her stocking for Christmas. You won't get socks for Christmas. I'm speechless. I just need a charger. Okay, give me that thing. So when that lady asks me what I'm buying, I'll tell her. I had to charge my phone so I could record. This one thing about having a phone, you always have to keep it charged. My camera, I wish I bought my camera because my batteries are fully charged. But we're in Lynchburg, not Danville. I told y'all, we don't know where we're going. She said we're just going somewhere.
Yeah, and you slept the whole time.
Because I was tired and because it was cold. You had the window down.
But I had the heat on. You told me to turn it off.
Because it was earlier.
Oh, okay.
I just bought a charger just to return it like in a few days. In another week when I go down the road to TJ Maxx again. Because I don't need this charger. I just need it right now. I'm going to return it to get my money back. And I'm going to still use it. I'm going to just say something, it don't work no more when I go to return it. That's how you play these people, because they be overpricing. Something wrong with that lady's hair. We is at Chick-fil-A. Praise the cat. See, Chick-fil-A. You know, Kayla. They bad. You can't hold the door for yourself. I think I'm at home. Yep.
So what's wrong with it?
Something was wrong with the password and the passcode.
So I'm about to put this mask on my face for the night. This is not clean. Let me just. Man, I'm trying to set my cash up. So I set my cash up card up. And I got it approved because I'm under 18. But I still ain't got no money on that cash app. And I just got an invitation to my cousin's birthday party. He's turning 1. And he has a Space Jam themed birthday party. And I want to have a Space Jam themed outfit. I'm trying to pull up just wasted product. I'm trying to way to church. And this is my little outfit. It's not even just a dress. I don't like these shoes that I got on, but they're okay. And my hair is the same like yesterday. So, I'm back from church. I've been back for a little bit. And I just ate a bowl of cereal because that's what I wanted. And I'm sitting here trying to finish a test that I was taking on Friday, but I checked out of school I just checked out of school. And we can use a Quizlet. We can use like notes on this test. And the Quizlet says set deleted. Got my phone saying storage full. This is why I don't like filming on my phone like that. I'm back in my room editing. Well, not editing. Uploading a video. This video right here. It's a hair video. Trying this wash and go combo. It should be out before y'all see this. But I need to find a title. So let's go to YouTube. So since my phone don't want to export these videos to my laptop, and I need to make one video today, I'm going to be filming on my camera again. I filmed a vlog on my camera, which I need to edit today and start editing. Let's see. I know I put it in a file, and it's already like set up where I can edit stuff. I want to see how long it is before I start to edit. It's a no school day vlog. Oh, I was about to say there's no files on it. Why is this video before editing 2 hours? Can y'all see that? It's 2 hours. I was gonna make this a unedited video, unedited vlog, but that's 2 hours long. And I don't even get viewers like that. So I'm not about to put a 2-hour video on YouTube. So I just finished filming that video, and I'm about to put the SD card into this USB thing so I can transport it to my my laptop. And I'm about to start editing this video because it's not going to take me long to edit because I really spoke a little bit too quickly, I think. I don't even know how long the video was. Look at that watermark that I made. Ooh, okay. That looks cute. And it goes in the corner of your videos, like right here. Goes right here in your videos. So you guys, I'm running out of storage on my phone, so I have to go ahead and end this video off. I hope that you enjoyed the weekend in my life. If you haven't already, subscribe. What are you doing? Also, hit the like button, comment something nice in the comment section down below. And I will see y'all in the next Vlogmas video.